What is a hash table?
A hash table is a data structure that lets you store and retrieve data quickly using key-value pairs. Each key is processed by a hash function, which computes an index pointing to where the value is stored. This approach allows you to look up information in almost constant time, making hash tables ideal for fast data access.
How hash tables work?
When you add a key to a hash table, it's run through a hash function. This function converts the key into an index, where the value gets stored. If two keys hash to the same spot, a technique called collision handling ensures both values can still be accessed. This clever design keeps lookups efficient even as you add more data.
Why use hash tables?
Hash tables excel at rapid searches, insertions, and deletions. They're faster than lists or arrays when you need to find a value by its key. For example, looking up a username or storing configuration settings becomes near instant. Their performance advantage is most obvious when working with large amounts of data.
Common use cases for hash maps.
Hash maps are used in many real-world applications. They store user account information, cache frequently accessed web pages, count word frequencies, and implement databases indexing systems. Their versatility and speed make them a go-to choice whenever you need quick association and retrieval of data based on a unique key.
When not to use a hash table.
Hash tables are not always the best option. If you need to maintain an order, like sorting items or iterating them in sequence, consider trees or lists instead. Also, for datasets with very few elements, the extra overhead of hashing may not be worth it. Always choose your data structure based on your specific needs.